What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is an unboxing of the AOKFLY LDARC Tiny G8 kit. So we got the blue alien on deck. So let's open this up and see what it comes with. I guess that weird wrap was to protect this case in here. Looks like this is an LDARC official product. It has LDARC engraved in the plastic there. And the website www.ldarc.com. LDARC are still giving us these cases here. Really nice case. And so when I ordered this, I actually thought I was picking between the black or the red frame. But it actually comes with two frames in this kit here. And they are the official frames. And so I was thinking about converting this GT7 to a GT8 frame, because it's the same parts except for the motors and the frame. Of course, I'm going to upgrade this guy with new motors. So I think I might just do a whole separate build on this one. Looks like we have an LED light. We have some grommets there for the flight controller. Two sets of props here. We have a bunch of screws here for the props and for the motors. We also have a bunch of GT8 and GT7 stickers. So we get this little carrying case here. Pretty nice little kit. And I remember seeing a video where Andy RC reviewed the GT8 and GT7, and he was talking about the frames being white and that bothering the exposure of the cam and all the white balance or whatnot. And so here's your solution here, a black frame. The AOKFLY LDARC GT8 kit. Thanks for watching.